Commercial agriculture customers have a multitude of cleaning, sanitizing, and odor control needs that Simple Green is in a unique position to solve. Animal welfare, environmental responsibility, and pathogen prevention, along with food, soil, and water safety, are critically important in commercial agriculture and are all areas where Simple Green's safer chemistry can outperform traditional harsh chemical cleaners. Simple Green products can also help farmers meet strict state, FDA, and USDA cleaning and sanitization standards, as commercial agricultural operations are subject to state and federal inspection. The four main Simple Green products we recommend for the commercial agriculture industry are Crystal Industrial Cleaner and Degreaser, Lime Calcium Surface Residue Remover, D-Pro 5, and Pro Odor Eliminator. Crystal Industrial Cleaner and Degreaser is going to be your #1 go-to product for the commercial agriculture industry. It's NSF registered for use in federally inspected facilities, which is a big concern for livestock farmers. It's also clean rinsing, which means you can use less water during washdown cycles. Water conservation is another big concern for commercial farmers, particularly in the face of climate change. Lime Calcium Surface Residue Remover is also a great product for descaling and restoring equipment, feeders and waterers, and piping and nozzles. D-Pro 5 is a one-step sanitizer and disinfectant that helps prevent microbial growth on feeding equipment, barns, floors, and processing lines. It can also sanitize farm tools and equipment, including milking machines and grooming tools. Plus, it can remove biofilm in manure storage facilities. Pro Odor Eliminator neutralizes odors using powerful natural enzymes. This is a win-win for livestock farmers because they get a commercial-grade odor control from a product that's safer for both animals and the environment. Commercial agriculture is generally divided into two main categories: livestock farming, the animal side, and crop farming, the plant side. Let's take a closer look at each type of farming operation and what to watch for when conducting an SSA. If your commercial agricultural customer target is a livestock farming operation, such as cattle, dairy, sheep, goats, pigs, chickens, or other animals, start by referring to your livestock farming roadmap for a list of suggested people to contact to set up an on-site SSA. When touring a livestock farming operation, some items to watch for include dirty farm equipment and tools, soiled animal bedding or dirty floors, feeders, and waterers. Crystal Simple Green works great for everyday cleaning of all these areas. But if the equipment, feeders, or waterers appear dull or cloudy, or during your discussions with farm management you discover they've had issues with clogging pipes and nozzles in their water delivery systems, that indicates hard water mineral buildup. Lime Calcium Surface Residue Remover can solve for this. A thorough cleaning will remove the buildup, then Crystal can be used ongoing for daily maintenance. Periodic descaling with Lime Calcium Surface Residue Remover can prevent the dullness and clogs from happening again in the future. You can also let the farm team know that Lime Calcium Surface Residue Remover is great for mineral and rust flushing of tractor and farm equipment, radiators, and cooling systems. As you can imagine, odor control and pathogen prevention are huge concerns for livestock farmers. Anywhere that animals and their waste are present, so are germs and odors, and D-Pro 5 can help in these areas. And then there's the smell. A huge problem for livestock farmers, particularly those near urban or suburban areas where they face regulatory pressure to control odors. Soiled bedding and manure storage areas are the biggest offenders, but anywhere animals go, odors follow. This makes for a good opportunity to sell Pro Odor Eliminator. If your commercial agricultural customer target is a crop farming operation, such as fruit orchards, nuts, grain, produce, commercial flowers, or other plant products, start by referring to your crop farming roadmap for a list of suggested people to contact to set up an on-site SSA. When conducting an SSA at a crop farming operation, some items to watch for include dirty machinery, tractors, and harvesters. Also keep an eye out for soiled floors, conveyors, mixers, cutters, and sorting or packing equipment. Any of these items could make for a good test demonstration site, and clean rinsing NSF registered Crystal Simple Green is the perfect choice for cleaning these areas. Crystal cuts through tough grease and oils, ensuring the smooth operation of harvesting, processing, and packaging equipment. Properly cleaning equipment like this can also extend its lifetime. Crystal also removes biofilm in areas where moisture and organic matter can cause microbial growth, a big issue for any type of plant farming operation. Another concern crop farmers face is preventing the growth of bacterial and fungi, as well as cross-contamination between processing areas. D-Pro 5 acts as a disinfectant and sanitizer for food contact surfaces to help ensure surfaces remain free from contaminants, which in turn helps farmers meet stringent food safety standards. Mineral deposits that build up on metal surfaces and clog irrigation systems can also be an issue, along with rust and oxidation that occurs on metals exposed to moisture. Lime calcium surface residue remover solves for this by removing mineral buildup, light rust, oxidation, or other residues. It can also remove white mineral deposits that appear on concrete or masonry, known as efflorescence. Then there's odor control, which is a big issue in crop farming, just like it is with livestock. Decomposing organic materials such as spoiled produce and other waste products generate strong smells that can spread across the entire farm. Regular use of our natural enzymatic pro-odor eliminator in critical areas like composting sites helps minimize odors before they become completely overwhelming, which in turn helps farmers stay in compliance with local odor regulations. Once you've completed the walkthrough, demonstrated the Simple Green solutions, and taken all your notes and pictures, you can move on to converting the customer by preparing the post-SSA evaluation report. As always, let your roadmaps provided in your toolkit be your guide, and be sure to bring along all the necessary products, documentation, PPE, and your SSA form.